Hey, hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Education Mantra. Guys, we are starting with top 17 MCQs on chapter Friction, class 8 science. So, in the last video, I had given a question that which are the crops grown in summer season? So, the correct answer is rice. Rice is grown in summer season in India. So, in every video, I'll ask a question and you have to tell it in the comment box. So, if you have not subscribed our channel, new to the channel, please subscribe our channel, like our video, and subscribe in this way. Let's begin. Friction is which type of force? Non-contact, contact, magnetic, or is it D, electrostatic? So, the correct answer for this question is contact force. Which one of the following device is used for measuring the force acting on an object? A. Spring balance is the correct answer. Options were spring balance, weighing machine, both A and B, or is it none of the above? So we all know that spring balance helps us to measure the force that is acting on an object. Which friction is smaller than static friction? Three types of friction force: static friction, rolling friction, and sliding friction. Rolling friction is the smallest. So static friction. So rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction, and sliding friction is smaller than static friction. So the correct answer is sliding friction. The substances which reduce friction are called wooden block, metals, non-metals, or lubricants. So the correct answer is D, lubricants. Force of friction depends on size, weight, roughness of surface, or all of these. So we'll discuss about A, size. Size of an object depends because if let's take an example of a box. The size of a box is small, then its weight ironically will be less. If it if the size of box is more, then it will have more weight. So more weight and more size will have more friction on the floor. So option A and option B are ironically connected and both are correct. So option C, roughness of a surface. Yes, if the surface is plain or the surface is rough, nobody can move for a more time. But if the surface is plain, the ball or anything can roll over it easily. So C is also there. Option D, all of these is the correct answer for this question. Which of the following are fluids? Gases, liquids, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is gases and liquids both are fluids. B, both C, both and A and B. Let's begin with the frictional force exerted by fluids is also called. Seventh question. Friction, force, pressure, or is it D, drag? The correct answer for this question is drag friction. So drag friction, also known as fluid friction. Always remember, rolling friction is smaller than static friction, sliding friction, composite friction, or is it D, A and both A and B are correct. So D option, both A and B are correct. Please subscribe our channel as this GIF is all coming again and again. The force of friction depends upon which of the following: pressure between two surfaces, nature of surfaces, both of these, or none of these. The matchstick catches fire when struck on the side of the matchbox because of friction, chemicals. Friction produces a spark and catches fire. None of these. So both questions are interconnected, because if the nature here the nature of surfaces in the 10th question, the matchbox is having, like, it's a matchstick here, it's a matchstick, and it is a matchbox here. So the side of matchbox is having some, uh, its nature is like that. When the matchstick is struck here, it produces a spark. So option B here in ninth question is correct. The pressure, when we apply pressure to the matchstick, when it is struck against the side of matchbox, then it produces a spark and catches fire. So correct option for 10th is C. And here ninth we have also got, so A is also there. So option C for ninth and option C for 10th. Correct answer. Yes. How can we move a heavy wooden crate easily? By pushing it, tie a rope and pull, place it on a trolley, or all of the above. So here, if we push it, then it is very hard for a person to push a heavy wooden crate. So it will not be there. So uh, if we use a wooden trolley, it is having wheels over uh, below, which will help to reduce the friction and roll it over the ground easily. So the correct answer is C. B option is also related to option A only. So option C, place it on a trolley, is the correct answer. Friction always works in which direction of the motion of the surface? Option A opposite, B equal, C both of these, or none of these. Correct answer is opposite. Yeah, always remember, friction force, also known as opposite force. Okay, the ball rolling on the floor stops due to gravitation, magnetic force, frictional force, or muscular force. Why? Okay, let's try. Okay, when gravitation, through gravitation, we are able to stand on the earth. With magnetic force, so gravitation cannot be there. Magnetic force occurs between two magnets. Frictional force is the correct answer. And muscular force. In the question, it is not written anywhere that we are applying any force to stop it. So, muscular force is not the correct answer. Correct answer is frictional force. Understood? Why is carom board usually powdered before playing? For increasing friction, for decreasing friction, for fragrance, none of the above. Correct answer. All you may know that this answer. Very easy question. For decreasing friction. Because when we apply powder, then it is a lubricant. So it reduces friction and helps the carom uh, that checks to slide over the board. So let's come on to the next question. In many machines, friction is reduced using force, ball bearing, both, or none. So the correct answer is ball bearing. If we apply on door hinges, if we apply oil on the door hinges, the friction will decrease, not increase, not remain the same, and none of the above is not always. So, last question. Which of the following is a streamlined object? Boats, aeroplanes, ships, all of these. All of these is the correct answer, because boats, aeroplanes, and ships have a streamlined body. So, the question of the day is, streamlined objects are related to which type of friction? You have to tell which type of friction. Tell in the comment box. And if you guessed right, I'll give a heart to the correct